Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add account, add content and post and comment automatically in MKT Twitter. Okay, first if you want to add account, click account management. In account management interface, first add category, enter the category name, for example account. Then press plus sign to add a new category. Then click on add account. Here I have some account. Copy the account format and paste to the blank space. And next select the category and select the format, username, parse, private key and email and passmail. Okay, then press save to save the account in the software. Press OK. And when you have import all the account into MKTX, choose the category, then load. Okay, next step, I will show you how to add proxy for the account. If you have more than 50 account, you should add proxy to change the IP address of the account. Okay, here I have some proxy. The proxy format added to the software in the static proxy is IP, port, username, and path. What we should do is copy the proxy, then press Ctrl and A button to choose all the accounts and do the right click, paste proxy in turn to paste proxy in the account. Okay, next step, when you have done adding the account and adding the proxy, the next step is login this account. Choose the account and do the right click login X to automatically log in the account. And after we log in all the accounts, you should do next functions. Here you could see login successful. Take close it. Okay, that's how we add account and proceed and log in the account in MKTX. Next, I will show you how to add content in MKTX in content management interface. First, add category. It's just the same like account management. First, I will add a category name marketing post. Okay, plus, and then we add post. First, our software allow two type of post. First is status mean the post without image, and if you want to post a attach image, please choose attach image. First, you could choose the category to save the post. For example, marketing post, and we enter content in content blank box. For example, I will copy a content like this. Okay, then we will add the content here. You could see my content here, and you could choose image or video attached with the content. For example, I will choose some image here. Press open and set the number of images you want to attach with the post. For example, I want to attach all four of the photos, so I set it to four and in order or randomly. Okay, then you could press save article to save the content. Okay, you could choose the category and load to see the content that you have added to the software. You could do the right click, edit images to edit the post, or you could delete post also. Okay, next I will show you how to automatically post and comment in MKTX. Move to viral marketing functions. First, if you want to post tweet, choose post tweet function. First, set the number of concurrent threads, mean the number of account or the number of Chrome window open and running at the same times. It depends on your PC's configuration, whether your PC is strong or weak. As my PC could run 10 thread, means 10 account at the same time, so I set it to 10. Okay, and switch account if error persists, we set it to 3 times. And each account post maximum is the limitation of the number of the posts that each account can post. I will set to one post. Mean each account will post one post. Okay, and interval between two posts we set it to 20 to 30 seconds. And posting waiting times mean if your posts have images or video, we need to set the waiting time to successfully upload the images and video. Which is it depends on the size of your photos or video. So I will set it to 15 and 20 seconds. Okay, next we could choose the content that we want to post by turn on general posting configuration and press select post. Here you could load the content and press save. Okay, and if you have a little bit content, you could click on allow duplicate post between accounts and add hashtag. Enter hashtag here, X hashtag online like that. Marketing MKT software, for example. And if you add the hashtag here, press Ctrl S to save the hashtag in the software. Okay, and you could tag user by enter their username here. Each username align, for example, like that, and Ctrl S to save. Okay, and we have a post interaction after posting, like the post or comment the post, and you could choose the comment type via input file, and you could comment the tweet and the comment content is right with the spin structure like that. Uh, Okay, and press Ctrl S to save. The post interaction after posting means once your account have successfully post tweet, this account will automatically like post and comment the post after posting. Okay, and in article posting configuration, we have the rotate function. It means the account will run again and again, posting again. How many times and how many seconds stopping? It depends on your choice. Okay, and after we set the configuration, just choose the account category and load and press start to begin posting in posting tweet in the account. You can see here. Okay. Function I will show you is comment by keyword. First, we will set the number of concurrent threads as my PC will run 10 threads. Switch account if error continues 3 times, and maximum use per account. You want each account will comment tweet by how many keywords you just set here, like we had said before. If you don't want to modify, you just use our configuration is okay. Okay, because the function is comment by keyword, so you should have the keyword list here. Maybe I will do an example marketing or automation software. Okay, each keyword align, the software will find the tweet by the keyword list and comment at the post. Okay, and the post comment, you could choose automatically by AI. If you want to rewrite your comment content, you should have an API key in system installation here. Okay, and if you want to comment by your own content, please choose by input file, and you could enter the content here with spin structures like have automation tool. Okay, and press save. And with the comment content, you could add hashtag, just like the posting tweet. Add hashtag align marketing or MKT software. Okay, and you could tag user, and if you choose do not comment duplicate content between account, means each account will comment with different content. That means you should have like a lot of content in here. So if you want to comment just by one or two content, please don't take it. And we have interaction post before you comment on the post, like live post or bookmark page, or randomly follow post owner or repost the tweet. Okay, after you have set the configuration, please select the account category and press load and press start. Okay, I won't talk user. Press start to begin comment by keyword. Okay, this video is all about how to add account, how to add proxy, how to add content, post tweet, and comment by keyword. So tell me if you need any function later. I will do more video to show you about the features of MKT Twitter called MKTX. See you in our next video. Goodbye.